According to recent word on the grapevine, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is expected to feature an IP67 rating.
Finally.
This means Samsung is finally making their next Galaxy Tab series water-resistant. In addition, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is widely speculated to introduce several innovative new features. Today, we'll do a comprehensive rundown of what's to be expected. Let's get started. As you would expect, the display quality of a Samsung tablet boils down to the variant. The base models usually sport an LCD screen. At the same time, the Plus and Ultra have access to the superior AMOLED display, which features endless contrast and dark blacks, and the Samsung Tab S9 Ultra will likely follow suit, but that does not stop us from hoping the base model will get an AMOLED display. The refresh rate is relatively high though, at 120 Hz across the board. When it comes to size, we expect it to range from 11-inch, 12.4-inch, and 14.6-inch, just like the Galaxy Tab S8 models.
How interesting.
There have been no published leaks or blueprints of the upcoming design. The Samsung Tab S9 Ultra will very certainly look like the Tab S8 range. The notch debate has been put on hold, but uncertainties remain about whether the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra will feature one again. We're certainly looking forward to whether the bezels on the Tab S9 series will be thinner than previous models. Considering the fact that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra would be IP67 tested, it wouldn't be surprising to see a design with a new material. Stay tuned for detailed discussion about the expected IP67 water rating on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. And remember to subscribe to our channel and keep checking back because we'll keep you updated on any further developments. If the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra were to be released this year, we would expect it to include the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor built for the recently released Galaxy S23 phones. Qualcomm describes these chips as an AI marvel that defines a new premium standard for connected computing. To put it in simple terms, these processors are somewhat overclocked, and Samsung is very likely to collaborate with Qualcomm to achieve maximum performance on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So it's even possible we might get a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 optimized specifically for the tablets. We anticipate that Samsung will look to equip Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra with UFS 4.0, which offers twice the read and write speeds of the more prevalent UFS 3.1. As a result, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is expected to have 256 GB of storage as its minimum capacity because Samsung does not produce UFS 4.0 chips with less than that amount of memory. Although, it is still likely that the base model of the Galaxy Tab S9 will ship with a 128 GB UFS 3.1 processor, just like the Galaxy S23. If the Galaxy Tab S8 series is any indication, Samsung considers 8 GB adequate for an Android tablet in terms of memory. In any case, since the tablet's software interface, which we'll go into detail very soon, places a premium on multitasking.
Cheers to that.
We're expecting that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra will feature a little increase in memory. Till now, Samsung's high-end tablets lacked water resistance, but the company has since released some active tablets with this function. While Samsung's premium tablets haven't had IP67 protection till now, that may change this year. According to a report by Sammobile, the next Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series, Samsung's flagship tablet, will feature a water-resistant rating of IP67. This means it is completely resistant to solid items, such as dust and sand, and it has been tested to work for at least 30 minutes while submerged in water from 15 centimeters to 1 meter. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 would probably be the only high-end tablets in the world to feature water resistance. Customers have long wanted this feature on its premium tablets. Thus, the company finally implementing it is fantastic news.
That's fantastic news!
The previous version of Samsung's Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra featured Samsung's One UI, which places a premium on multitasking with its gestures and quick access app drawers that enable you to pull in apps for split screen or floating window operation. Tablets like this make excellent use of their displays by allowing you to multitask between multiple applications. Moreover, the DEX UI makes Android tablets resemble desktop computers. If you have a Bluetooth keyboard, you can use them in the office. Naturally, we anticipate all of that to return with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, but we just might see Samsung further improve the experience, and we're certainly looking forward to that. Give this video a like if you are too. We currently can't confirm how much the new Samsung tablets will cost because so little is known about them. However, seeing as Samsung usually sticks with the same prices, the costs of the Galaxy S8 will most likely be repeated. The three variants have respective price tags of $700, $900, and $1,100, ranging from the base model to the highest-end model. That being said, depending on how the economy continues to fluctuate, we may or may not see a slight increase in those costs. Last year's Galaxy Tab S8 was announced at the February Galaxy Unpacked event. We obviously didn't see the next generation of tablets debut at the 2023 February event, so we're anticipating a release together with Galaxy Z Fold and Flip in August. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is currently the best Android tablet available, and if the S9 series would be anything similar or even better, we can expect to be impressed, and hopefully it won't be long. As we just said, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 would probably debut alongside the Z Fold 5 in August. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is also sporting a slew of big changes, and in our next video, we'll tell you all about them, so make sure you watch that too.